Everybody knows that bologna and hot dogs are junk food. They're bad for your health. You shouldn't eat them. They cause cancer. They're ultra processed foods. There's just one problem with this. That's completely false. In this video, we're going to talk about hot dogs and bologna and how they're actually a healthy food for you to eat.
O, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ko kailangan magpaliwanag 'di ba? Bakit ako magpapaliwanag? Yung mga nasa low carb community nga, tsaka mga carnivore, di nila alam yung mga ugok din, tatagal na nila 'di ba? Ang nasa isip lang nila yung hotdog, processed meat, magkaka-cancer 'di ba? Yun pa kayang hindi mga low carb, di mas lalong mga ugok yung mga yun, 'di ba? Kaya di ko kailangan magpaliwanag. Mas okay na ako na lang nakakaalam at ako na lang makakain, at least stress free pa, 'di ba? Init, sarap, may cheese.